Divide 477 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 477 divided by 5 is 95.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.